Hey, I'm back again guys with a brand new video. Hopefully you know me, but if you're new. Now let's get straight to the point. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to remaster GTA San Andreas on low-end PC. Okay, so in this video, we'll be turning our GTA San Andreas from this to this. But before starting, make sure to subscribe, it's free, and you can unsub anytime. Make a backup of the original game files, in case you mess up with the game and want to remove the mod. The only way is to delete the entire game file. So just keep a copy of the original game files. Just go to your game location and copy-paste the entire file. Rename it if you want. Okay, so modding time. Click on the first two links in the description and download both files one by one. These are the downloaded files. Extract them using WinRAR. You can delete the zip files now. Now open GTA San required files. Copy all the files. Go to your game directory. And paste everything here. Replace. Keep this window on one side and open the Realistic Vision folder. Go to Main Files. Drag and drop everything to your game directory. Okay, here is a configuration of the graphics mod for low-end devices. If your PC struggles to run GTA San Andreas, just use this configuration. Drag and drop it into your game directory. In my case, I have 8 GB of RAM so I can run the game easily, so I'm not using this config. You're done installing the main mod. Now what I'm going to show you are optional and not recommended for low-end PC users. In the optional folder, just drag and drop all files into your game directory. You're done with the optional effects. Now we'll be installing some optional materials. Just click on the third link in the description. You'll be redirected here. Download it. Now just extract it. We'll be adding these materials into our game. Copy this folder. And paste it into your game directory. And you're done with the optional mods as well. Now enjoy your game. Here is some gameplay of the graphics mod.
street. Home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. The graphics mod should have worked for you. Anyways, if you're still not subbed, I would really recommend you to subscribe as it would mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to like as it would encourage other viewers to try this method. Okay, so with all due respect, love your parents, respect your country, and most importantly, take care of yourselves. See you in another video. Till then.
Bye bye.